Can you see?
So next week's lab, are you going to take out all the other pediatric?
We have our quiz next week, right?
Lower
inferior appendicular.
Yeah. Because that's what I wanted to look at was the lower extremity muscles.
All right. I can do that.
I can never put two waves in.
That looks like it.
Okay. Mucosa. Okay. Submucosa, muscularis externa, and this is serosa, or visceral peritoneum. Lumen is up here. So these are folds of the mucosa that we have called
villi.
Okay. So, and all the pink are the simple columnar cells, and the ones with the blue dots, those represent the goblet cells, and the blue is the mucin. So the blue is mucin. Right? And there will be other folds of the mucosa. These are called intestinal crypts. Here's a three-dimensional one.
Awesome.
Okay. And any of these crypts the cells would have differentiated into producing digestive enzymes. So figure that all these intestinal crypts, they are essentially digestive glands, multicellular digestive glands. Okay. So green item is okay. What does it do?
Take the fat from the small intestine to the
intestinal trunk, and then to the chyle cistern, and then to the
lymphoid.
Yeah.
Can you repeat that?
First, okay. The material inside would be the chylomicrons,
fatty lymph,
and then it's going to go from here to the cisterna chyli.
Correct.
And that is kind of like the beginning of the intestinal trunk, or thoracic duct, but that would be kind of like the end of the intestinal trunk. That's the only one that is not paired.
Correct.
So from there it goes upwards, and it's going to go into the left subclavian vein, and from there it goes into the heart. All right. So, and then you have the gray here represents the lamina propria. Okay. And then,
does that go all the way, all the gray?
you can more or less consider that as connective tissue.
Okay.
Yeah. But this is closer to a real connective tissue. These would have more collagen fibers in it as you go further out. And these brown dots here, they represent cells that are cruising around in the lamina propria. Okay. And then these red ones, you might want to check your book whether the book also has it labeled down here. These are supposed to be the Paneth cells. Okay, those are the ones that are supposed to release digestive enzymes. Sorry, not digestive.
Don't they signal?
Protective enzymes.
Paneth?
Yeah, Paneth cells. Okay. And then further down, you have your muscularis mucosa. These are smooth muscle, single cell layer thick, inner circular layer, outer longitudinal layer. These are the ones that would twitch to get rid of anything that might be stuck. And then the main body of this item, this is a lymph nodule or lymph follicle, and its main body is going to be down at the submucosa, but good portion of it up in the mucosa. That's why it's marked. Okay? Mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. Then in the submucosa, you would have the main body of these coiled ones. This is multicellular mucus gland. Okay, you see the duct going up to the lumen. So that's the difference between this kind of gland and those kinds of glands. Okay, the ones in the mucosa would be digestive glands. The ones with the main body down in the submucosa, those would be the
the moles. Yeah.
those would be the multicellular mucus glands. And of course you get larger blood vessels here and lymph vessels, etc. Muscularis externa, okay? These are many cell layers thick, smooth muscles. Inner circular layer, outer longitudinal layer. Inner circular layer does segmentation, outer longitudinal layer does peristalsis. And whatever yellow things that you see here, the ones down here, that would be the myenteric plexus. And whatever goes beyond that, going to here, would be the submucous plexus or submucosal plexus, or Meissner's plexus. And then here you have your serosa, which is always going to be simple squamous, and it will be supported by connective tissue as well. I've seen these ones also labeled as lamina propria. Okay, anything else on here?
Brown dots are called macrophages in the lamina propria.
No, they're just cells moving around. It could be, I don't know. I think they mean them to be fibroblasts and others.
The blue ones you said goblet cells.
The blue dots, the ones with the blue dots, those are the goblet
Yeah,
cells.
blue is the meson.
I'm not sure what they mean these ones to be. Okay, the ones with the brown dots.
And this is what, malt? Or?
Yeah, that's a lymph nodule.
And that's just a multicellular mucus gland on the other side.
Yeah, this one.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.